Welcome to today's tutorials. The name is OG Sparks with the sauce. Today, I'm going to teach you how to do punch in and punch out. So let's say you've recorded a vocal, okay, a vocal take, and the vocal is so perfect, okay, but there's a small mistake somewhere in there that you wish to correct only that part of the take, of the vocal take. That is when punch in and punch out comes to action. So to demonstrate this, let's go straight to the desktop and let's do this.
Fucking hard, she declare what I got. Drop it down, my see my zamba.
It's the OG Sparks with the sauce.
So this is Cubase 15. It has a lot of features. I'll be coming in, day out, and be bringing you more videos and how to do a lot of stuffs. So all we need is just to get a vocal take over here. We have to record something here. I don't like to record my natural voice. I don't like to hear my natural voice, so I'll help myself with some auto tune and then a gate, a noise gate to reduce background noise. Let me add some let's say EQ. Let me EQ. So low cut somewhere here. My voice is very deep, as you can see. I want a very sharp one, something like this. And then I want to lower this part a little bit, like this, and then boost this side a little bit. Yes. So that's what I've done for now, and then let me add a compressor C2. Let me just use one of their defaults for vocals. Okay, so let's use this. So 2:1 is okay. Fast attack, fast release, auto gain. Let's just put some reverb on, or we can send to the reverb, but let's just put it on, and then let's see. So give some space. Let's see Valhalla. Good. So straight to vocal plates, vocal plates, and then I don't want, it's an insert, not a send. So somewhere around 20% or 15-20% is cool. And let's take some vocals on this beat that I'm creating. Okay, so to record, you just have to click here, or you can just go with the style on the keyboard, and then that's all. So let's go. Hey, with the sauce, go Yaka. I got a vision, mission, no permission. Hey, I got a lesson, vision, eyes on decision. I got decision, vision, mission is on the song, yeah. It's on, yeah. Let's listen to how it sounds, and then let's see where we can correct and then use the punch in and punch out features. Hey, with the soul, Yaka. I got a vision, mission, no permission. Hey, I got a lesson, vision, eyes on decision. I got decision, vision, mission is on the song, yeah. It's on, So this is what I have. So if I want to make a correction here, let's say from this place, let me just so I want to make a correction from here to here. So what is here? Yes, so there's a mistake here. Eyes on decisions. I have to I have to do a mind or decision. Eyes on decision. So to punch in, you have to come and click. This is the punch in icon here, and then this is the punch out icon here. So when you select the punch in, you see it gives you the symbol here, and then I think this actually the beginning of where I want my punch in to come. No, far from that, it should be somewhere here. Yes, so from here like this to here. So my punch out will be here on this bar 13. So let's say I'm playing from here. You don't have to press record. All you just have to do is press play, and then once it gets to where the punch in and punch out icons are highlighted at this red zone here, it will record by itself. So mind on this session. So let's go. Mission, no permission. Hey, I got a lesson. Mind on this session. I got a decision. So in case you take it like this and it's still not good for you, you can just decide to loop just that side, maybe from here to here, so it will just be looping. Then you take your punch in and your punch out, it records automatically. So this one like this is not good enough for me, so I'll just go ahead and delete it. Like this. So I'm going to play again, not press record, just hit the space bar and then go. It will keep looping where you've looped, and then you get your best take. So let's go. No permission, hey, I got a lesson. I don't decision, yeah. I got decision, got a lesson. It's on this song, yeah. Mistake, I got decision, got a lesson. Mind on decision, yeah. I got decision, got. I think this one is better. So when you are done with the punch in, punch out, you just come and then what you do is you just put the punch in off and then the punch out off, and then you listen. No permission, hey, I got a lesson. Mind on decision, yeah. I got decision, got a lesson. So basically that is what punch in and punch out is. You have your best vocal take, there's a small mistake, you wish to take it out, just use the punch in and punch out to correct yourself. The name is OG Sparks. Don't forget to subscribe.